How to load a fitment. Now that you have stock on hand reflecting on your iFit system, you may capture fitments on the iFit. Click on the tab Fitments. Click on the category drop-down and choose Vehicle, Trailer or Motorcycle. In the VIN number column, type in the vehicle, trailer or motorcycle's VIN number. Confirm the VIN number in the VIN number, confirm column to ensure that the VIN number is correct. When you confirm the VIN number, then please ensure to retype the VIN number from the vehicle, trailer, or motorcycle supporting document and not from the first VIN number column. This is to ensure that you do not retype an incorrect VIN number from the first VIN number column. Go to the Make column. Click on the drop-down in the Make column to see all available vehicle, trailer, and motorcycle manufacturing options to choose from. You can scroll down to the make that you want to choose and select the make that you want to process. It will then appear in the Make column. Alternatively, you can click on the drop-down in the Make column and type the make name, for example Volkswagen, then the make typed in will reflect and be available to select. Select the make if you're sure it's correct. It will then appear in the Make column. Go to the Model column. Click on the drop-down in the Model column to see all available vehicle, trailer, and motorcycle model options to choose from. You can scroll down to the model that you want to choose and select the model that you want to process. It will then appear in the Model column. Alternatively, you can click on the drop-down in the Model column and type the model's name, for example Golf, then the model typed in will reflect and be available to select. Select the model if you're sure it's correct. It will then appear in the Model column. Go to the Derivative column. Please note, the derivative is the capacity of the engine. Click on the drop-down in the Derivative column to see all available vehicle, trailer, and motorcycle derivative options to choose from. You can scroll down to the derivative that you want to choose and select the derivative that you want to process. It will then appear in the Derivative column. Alternatively, you can click on the drop-down in the Derivative column and type the derivative, for example 1.2, then the derivative typed in will reflect and be available to select. Select the derivative if you're sure it's correct. It will then appear in the Derivative column. Go to the Registration column. In the Registration column, type in the vehicle, trailer, or motorcycle's registration number. Please note the registration number is the license plate number of the vehicle. If you're sure that the details completed are correct, then you may continue to click on Proceed. You will now see the Fitment Process column where you will continue capturing the fitment. In the Customer Name column, please type in the owner's name of the vehicle, trailer, or motorcycle. In the Cell Number column, please type in the owner's contact number of the vehicle, trailer, or motorcycle. Go to the PIN number column and choose from the drop-down the correct PIN number fitted on the vehicle, trailer, or motorcycle. Please note, PIN number should always be used in sequence. Under Please confirm the PIN number, confirm the PIN number in the red blocks by typing the PIN number from the can or pot to ensure that the correct PIN number are being processed. Go to Vehicle Year. Click on the drop-down and choose the correct year model, for example, 2020. If you are not sure what the correct year model is, then you can choose Not Applicable. Go to Color. Click on the drop-down in the Color column to see all available vehicle, trailer, and motorcycle color options to choose from. You can scroll down to the color that you want to choose and select the color that you want to process. It will then appear in the Color column. Alternatively, you can click on the drop-down in the Color column and type the color, for example white, then the color typed in will reflect and be available to select. Select the color if you're sure it's correct. It will then appear in the Color column. In the Anades Number column, type in the vehicle, trailer, or motorcycle's Anades number. Please note the Anades number is the register number of the vehicle. In the Engine Number column, type in the vehicle or motorcycle's engine number. Click on the drop-down in the Fitter column to see all available fitter name options to choose from and select the correct fitter name. It will be the fitter who physically fitted the vehicle, trailer, or motorcycle. Click on Refer drop-down and choose Referrer. Who referred the customer? Mobile fitment option. This option is available for fitment centers that does mobile fitments. If the fitment has been done outside the premises, then it is called a mobile fitment. You will then have to make a tick in the column next to mobile fitment. A fitment address column will then appear. Please type in the address where the fitment has been done. Then click Close. If the fitment has been done on the premises, then please ignore the mobile fitment option. Please do not make a tick in the column. Go to Notes. If you have any information regarding the vehicle or fitment that you want to share with us, then you can click on Notes and type a message. Please take note of the column on the side, namely Current Vehicle. There you will see the information that you have inserted when you started the fitment process. Please check if the details are correct. If you are sure all information typed and chosen are correct, then you can click on Process. After you have clicked on Process, a message will appear notifying you that the fitment has been processed. Then you click OK. Click on Print Fitment Certificate, open the document, and print out. Click on Print Job Card, open the document, and print out. Please note, you must print out 2 job cards. One for your records and 1 job card that must be kept neat and safe to send to DataDot head office. Please ensure that you put sample dots on the job cards. Also, please ensure that the fitter do sign the job cards. Please keep the empty can or pot safe with the job card. DataDot admin department will arrange a collection every 3 months at your fitment center to collect all the job cards and empty cans and or pots. The certificate is for the customer as proof that his or her vehicle has been fitted with DataDot. Now you are done with processing a fitment.